Hello and welcome to Book Writing Made Easy. If you're watching this video, it means you're a participant of the 40 Days Visibility Challenge and you have also stayed till day 35. I want to congratulate you. I am your colleague in success, Ruth Sobechuku, and today I want to show you strategies you can use to start writing a book and complete it in few weeks or a month. Now, we'll be needing some apps, and I'll be taking you step by step. The first app is the Google Docs. Okay, Google Workspace. You go to Google Play Store, and you go to Play Store and download the app Google Docs. Okay, so this is how the interface is like. If you see, all these are my documents. This is the app I have been using to write my book and convert it into a PDF and market it until I make crazy sales from it, right? So this is the plus sign. So you can use any of these templates, okay? But each of these templates represent different things, or each of these icons represent different perform different functions. Okay, if you want to choose this template, it means you just want to edit, you just want to pick and use the way it is and use it for your own. Okay, you can just pick anyone and edit it to your own. So if you are working on a magazine, you can use any of this one, this personal. Okay, this, let's click on it to see the sample. So this is what it looks like. So you can just edit it. You see this recipe, you click on it and edit it to what you want. This picture, you remove it to what you want. Okay, and then you can add and add and add, but we are not looking at this. Let's go to what we wanted to do first off. So I'll click here to delete. This is not what I want. So back to the book writing, you click on this plus sign. What we want to use is new word file. You click on new word file. Okay, when you click on new word file, this is what it will bring. Now, I was explaining how you can use the mic, how you can use the Google mic to speak, and it will write out what you want. So this mic here, if you look at this, my screen, you see this mic here, you see initializing. So whatever you say, it will type that for you. Do you see? As I'm speaking, it is typing it, and you are speaking your thoughts. As you're speaking your thought, it is writing it out for you. And then when you are done, you just click on it and it will stop. So this is another way. If maybe you say you don't have the time, you don't have the energy to type, you can speak into this mic. Okay, you click on it and you start talking. Okay, everybody has it on their phone. The only disadvantage with this is it doesn't put full stop. There's no comma, there's no paragraph. So except because I am mentioning it, you see. But from the beginning of what I was saying, there's not been any full stop, there's not been any comma, right? So this is how it works, right? You speak your thoughts and it will type it. Now another thing is if you are not pronouncing those words correctly, it may not spell it correctly for you. So you have to be sure that the words you are pronouncing are well articulated. Okay, so yes, this is how to use the Google Voice to write your thoughts. Then going on, all these icons scattered on this on my screen are features of the Google Docs. Okay, Now these three dots here, for you to know if you have written up to 1500 words. Okay, you click on that three dots. You click on the three dots and then you, okay, wait. So to check your word count, you click on these three dots here at your top right hand corner. You scroll down, you see word count, click on word count, and you see that the words we have written so far is just 167 words. Okay, 167 words. So this is how you do it until you get to 1500 words, and you are sure that you use this to count the words you have written. Now another thing is, when it's like this, you see it's indicating we should save. When it's like this, if you don't save, you exit the app and come back, you will lose whatever you have written. So you make sure you click on save. You go to your Google Drive. You must have registered this with your email address. Use your email address to set it up, because once you download the app, you'll be required to sign in or to sign up. Okay, so signing up, you use your email address, then you click on save. Okay, when you click on save, I want to save this as book writing. So book writing, right? Then I click on save. Okay, it will save. I will click on the very good icon. I'll come back here. So this is what is showing. Say waiting for Wi-Fi. It's not going to download, or it's not going to upload if I don't click on it again. I'll have to click on it to make sure it uses my data instead of waiting for Wi-Fi. Right now it has downloaded, or it has uploaded. So the next thing I do, I want to come back to my work. I click on this. Now you click on this pencil icon to continue writing. Now another thing you would want to do is, you see these icons here. This first icon here is the good icon, the very good icon, the very good mark to say you don't want to write again, or you are not doing anything. Then you can, the second one is to undo, to correct. If you have written something that you don't want it again, you can undo it. You can click on undo. Then if you still want to maintain it, you can redo. Okay, so this one, the capital letter A, is to page, to do your text to be normal. Okay, you want your text to be black. You want to highlight some things, but we are not coming to all this one. Just get your book done and you would learn the other things later. Okay, this is if you want to format your book. You want to format it to be the standard way. You would learn this later on, but first off is to learn how to use it to get your book done. Right, this is the advanced stage. Then the next one is this plus icon. Okay, you want to add links. You want to add link to your book, such that when somebody is reading with his or her data on, you can click on the link and to take the person, okay, to take the person to where you intend, the page or whatever you want the person to visit. Then image, you want to add image to your book. You could add image. You could take from your photos. You add image of you. Maybe you want to talk about the author, positioning yourself as an author. So I want to use this image. I'll click on it and it will pop up here. So you can use different method. You can add pictures to your book. You can add images to your book, but I love having picture of me at the end about the author, where I talk about myself, what I do, what I know how to do, and all of that. So yes, this is just how it is. Now, if you're using your data, if your data is on when you're using the Google Docs, it also helps you to edit, proofread. See this place that is saying I am. So it's going to help you, but this one you can't really rely on it 100%. You can't really rely on it 100%. So we may not really be working with the Google corrections stuff. So, but basically, this is how you use the app. Then, when you are done with everything, and maybe you want to share, your book, you want to export, you want to share it to somebody, you know, you click on export. You click on share and export. Okay, so you can send a copy. That's after you are done. Okay, you can send as a copy. You can send it as a Word document such that the person can proofread and edit for you, or you can send it as a PDF. So when the person is reading, they can't alter it, they can't change it to their own. So I want to send as a Word document. Click on OK. I click on OK, and then you go to WhatsApp. When you go to WhatsApp, you can now send to any of your contacts. Okay, you can now send to any of your contacts. I want to send it to myself. So this book writing, I send it to myself. So I can now open it. It's asking to use which app do I want to use. I'll use WPS.